In this chapter, we will learn about policyholders' protection regulations. IRDAI has introduced regulations to safeguard the interest of policyholder. Let us understand some of these regulations. Every POSP, that is, point of sales person, needs to fully disclose all details about the product. Good faith need to be followed and there should be transparency. As far as POSP of broker companies are concerned, comparison should be provided to the prospects and the most suitable policy as per the client's need should be recommended. Insurers, brokers and intermediaries should follow the code of conduct. Proposal form is compulsory for all the policies except for marine cargo. The insurer shall ensure that a sale executed over distance marketing modes such as internet, SMS, telemarketing, interactive electronic medium, etc. shall be undertaken by authorized and qualified salespersons. A policy cannot be called in question after 3 years of it being issued. Insurer will find it impossible to repudiate claims after 3 policy years due to the amendment. Information about riders. So what are riders? Riders are additional benefits provided with a base policy. In life insurance, these additional benefits are termed as riders, and in general insurance, these are called add-ons. But in both the cases, they mean the same. In case of life insurance, the additional covers premium, that is, the rider's premium should not exceed 30%. Once the proposal is accepted and the premium is paid, the client can return or cancel the policy within the free look period, which is applicable to only health and life insurance policies. A 15 days free look period is provided in cases of health and life insurance. A free look of 30 days is applicable to electronic policies and the ones obtained through distance mode in life insurance. So what exactly is a free look period? Free look period is a time period in which the policyholder can review the terms and conditions of the policy and disagree to any of those terms or conditions. During a free look period, the policyholder has the right to cancel the policy. If the policyholder wishes to cancel the policy, then he or she gets premium amount as refund after deduction of certain expenses like stamp duty charges, medical test expenses and pro rata premium. These regulations help to safeguard the interest of policyholder and should be efficiently communicated to them.